Hey, I am Raghunath Krishna and you're watching Elephany, where we draw and color 50 stylized elephants. In this video, we are going to draw and color Buoyed. Buoyed is an elephant that looks like an inflated model. Elephants' massive body gives them enough buoyancy to float easily. That is how they can swim long distances. Let us draw the head with an extended trunk, a rounded ear, and a body which looks like a float. And a tail. Let us give him two cute tusks and the mouth to complete. Let us color Buoyed orange. As usual, use the same strokes. Go for passes one after the other. Okay. Now we'll give some orange accents. Let us color his eye now. He has green eyes. Let us give him some environment. You can see I am mixing different colors for the background. I'm trying to smudge the colors using a tissue now. Let us color his ground now. That brings us to the completion of Buoyed. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.